Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Vanguard for Valorant. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you might want to download or re-download it because your Vanguard is quite problematic. Well, don't worry. Just go ahead over to your search bar and let's go ahead and check if Vanguard is still available. Okay, go ahead and type down add or remove programs, and then here just click on the search result. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just got to use the search bar and type down Vanguard. Okay, so if yours is not available right here, well, don't worry, just leave it. If Vanguard is still available in here, just click on three dots, hit on uninstall, uninstall. There will be a prompt, just click on yes, and this one right here, just click on yes. Okay, wait for the process to finish, may take some time. There you go, it's gone. So once it's gone, go ahead and open up your right client, like so. Wait for it to fully load. And once it loads, you'll be able to see a big update button. Okay, I'm just going to show you right here. Okay, right here, as you can see, if you have installed League of Legends, Valorant, or any other games right here, you'll be able to see a update button. Okay, so just click on any game. And then what you're going to do is just click on update. Okay, update. There'll be a prompt, just click on yes, and just wait for the process to finish. As it says here, your game requires a system restart. So after that, just restart your computer and you should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.